Alright, so buying a clear case for your iPhone can be pretty hard because for myself, I've had issues where it starts yellowing over time or it starts cracking after like the first drop, even if it's just like a foot, aka the Apple Clear case. Anyways, we all know that finding a clear case is now harder than ever. So in this video, I'm going to be doing some durability tests with the Casetify Clear case to see if this is the clear case that we have all been waiting for. So the very first durability test I'm going to be doing is actually very extra, but I'm going to be putting this case, the Casetify Clear case, and also the Apple Clear case into some wine for 24 hours. I'm going to sink both the cases in some wine for 24 hours, compare the two, and just see what happens. All right, so as you guys can see, we have the Apple case right here. And we also have the Casetify Clear case right here. The camera quality is not going to be the best just because I'm recording for such a long period of time. So we're just going to be using this webcam right here. And then at the end, I'll show you the details with my nice 4K camera. So let's go ahead. I got some wine right here. Let's go ahead and see what happens when I put this wine. I'm going to have some trouble opening this, aren't I? I do not open wine. I don't know how to. I guess so. Okay, it's that easy. That was pretty easy actually. So there's the lid. Again, the Apple case is going to be on the right, and then the Casetify Clear case is going to be on the left. So let's go ahead. I'm going to start this timer while I'm pouring in the wine. 3, 2, 1. Smother all over both of them. Got it. Actually, it smells pretty good, not gonna lie. So there we go. And then I'm actually just going to flip these over just so they're completely dunked. There we go. So yeah, while these cases are soaking, let's go ahead and get ready for the Casetify Clear case drop test. While that's soaking in the wine right now, we're gonna be testing the drop test durability on this case. And I have a brand new fresh one to show you guys. Still has the wrapper on it, so let's take that off. We're gonna go ahead and slide it into my iPhone 14 Pro. There we go, just so you guys can see. So I'm going to be doing a drop test for my waist and also my head height. This case right here has about 6 feet drop protection, so it should 100% be fine. My phone should survive 100%. So let's go ahead and start with the first one. Like I said, I'm going to do with the waist height, and I'm going to do on the back side first right here, and then we'll do the corner on the next drop. So let's go ahead. 3, 2, 1. That did not sound great. I'm going to just say that right now. But camera's working perfectly fine. Let's take a look. All right, guys, so right off the bat, I don't really see any. I mean, there's some nicks here. Obviously, the clear case, you're going to see some scratches and some small nicks and stuff like that. So all I really see right now are a few micro scratches. With the camera lip right here, I still don't see any damage whatsoever. So I would say that's a successful drop test. Perfectly fine, no scratches, no cracks or anything like that. And on the back of the case, as you guys can see, no cracks whatsoever. Let's go ahead and do the next drop test. This is a very durable case, so I kind of knew nothing was going to happen with that drop test. The next one we're going to be doing is on the corner of the case. Same exact height, waist height, like I said, about 5'6". So let's go ahead, give it this a try. 3, 2, 1. Just bounced right up, okay. Camera's working perfectly fine. All right, so for this one right here, obviously the drop was right here on the bottom. And if I zoom up to it, I honestly can't see anything. This case literally looks still brand new. I literally have to look at it really close with my eyes to see if there's any damage. But as you guys can see, as long as I can't see anything. There's no damage whatsoever on the bottom of this case. On the back, same exact thing, no damage. How the heck? There's literally nothing. There's literally no damage on this case whatsoever. So let's go ahead and do the next drop test, I guess. There's literally nothing to say about that because look at that. There's literally nothing wrong with it at all. Very surprising. There's literally no damage on this whatsoever. I mean, I would think there would be some scratches or something, but literally I don't see anything. That's absolutely insane. I don't know how there's literally nothing on it. So anyways, next drop we're going to do back down. We're going to do my head height. I'm scared. This is kind of high. Okay, 3, 2, 1. God, it sounds so bad. All right, that one just absolutely slapped the ground. We're obviously going to see a few more scratches, a few more dings in the case, but literally I literally just see like micro scratches. That's pretty much it. I mean, that's probably from a rock right there. You guys can see that. Maybe another rock right here, but other than that, no cracks in the case or anything like that. That literally slapped the ground. That did not sound good at all. But yeah, there's nothing that I could see so far. That's the bottom of the case, side, top, and other side. If I'm missing something, please let me know, because I literally don't see anything so far. We are going to take the case off just to see if there's any damage on the back, because that literally slapped the back so hard. And as we can see, no cracks or anything. And then we look at the front, same exact thing, no cracks or anything. So with that, let's go ahead and do another drop test. All right, that one absolutely clapped the ground. Don't know how there's not damage. Obviously, there's going to be scratches on it. It's a clear case. But no cracks or anything on the case or the actual phone, which is the most important part. So that's a good sign. Next thing we're going to do is on the corner. My head height, 5'6". Let's go ahead and give it a try. 3, 2, 1. That just bounces. Literally just bounces. Let's take a look. I don't see anything so far. All right, so with this one, literally just bounces off the ground like it's nothing. So the point of impact is right around here at the bottom again. And as we can see, there is a little bump right here. It's not really that noticeable right here, but there is just a slight bump right here in this corner. But other than that, dude, this thing is just absolutely insane. If I had dropped this with the clear case, the Apple clear case, that case would just be absolutely cracked and destroyed. But with this Casetify clear case, literally perfectly fine, which is absolutely insane. So let's go ahead and take a look at the back again. Just a few scratches, not a big deal at all. This side right here, same exact thing, no significant damage. Then right here, obviously this is where the bump is right here. You can maybe see that, it's just very slight and very minimal. And on the top, nothing at all. So let's go ahead and take it off one more time. And perfectly fine, dude. Perfectly fine. Let's take it to the front. No cracks whatsoever. Insane, dude. All right, so now that we're done with the durability drop test, let's go ahead and check out the wine, see how that's looking. And let's check it out. All right, guys, so officially we're going to have these cases in the wine for exactly, wait for it, 24 hours, okay? So now we're going to take these cases out, we're going to rinse them, and see what these cases both look like. Again, also just to let you guys know, this camera, I swapped it out because my other one stopped recording because I ran out of storage on my computer because it's over 100 gigabytes. So that's why we swapped it over with this good camera, and the quality is a lot better on this one too. Let's go ahead and take a look at these cases. Again, this one is the Apple case. This one right here is the Casetify clear case. Let's go ahead and see. It smells like wine in here. Let's see which one looks, well, let's just see what they look like. 24 hours. Let's go ahead. And that looks very red. Okay. We're also obviously going to rinse these off to see what happens. So I'm just going to keep that there. This one as well. Looks very red. So I'm going to go get a cloth. We're going to rinse these off and see what happens. We're going to dunk these in and see what happens. Let's put these in. Rinse them off. And then we're going to go ahead and give these a dry as well. I'm gonna let these dry. Gonna let them sit for like an hour, and then we're gonna get the final look at them, see what they both look like. So let's go see. Alright guys, so I'm back in my studio, aka my bedroom. As you guys can see, the easy winner here, the one that's the most crystal clear, is the Casetify clear case. For the Apple clear case, as we can see, I mean, when I pick it up, you can't notice it as much. You can still see some discoloration on the sides, but for the most part, you can't really see until you compare it with the Casetify clear case. This one just has a more like icy look. It doesn't look like it's discolored at all. Here it is close up right here. The only thing though with this one, if you guys can see that slightly, the buttons on the Casetify clear case, I'm just going to zoom in for you guys, are slightly discolored, which isn't really a big deal just because it's such a small piece of the case. It's not really going to be that noticeable. But yeah, that's for both the buttons, as you guys can see, for the volume buttons right there as well. slightly discolored, but in my personal opinion, I'd rather have a slightly discolored button versus, you know, the whole case being discolored. Like I said, this has been in wine for over 24 hours, a little bit over 24 hours, as you guys saw previously. All right, guys, so we just did the comparison versus the Apple Clear case and the Casetify Clear case. After the wine test, I actually just got a brand new Apple Clear case and a brand new Casetify Clear case to see, and just to show you guys how much the wine changed the Apple Clear case. So let's go ahead and unbox it, just to show you guys that this is a brand new clear case. So here is the brand new Apple Clear case. As you guys can see, it looks brand spanking new, looks super fresh and clean. We're just gonna compare it. So as you guys can see, between the wine test and the brand new one, it is definitely tinted and color changed versus the brand new one. I'm also going to be unboxing the Casetify Clear case, a brand new one, just to show you guys and compare it with that one as well. We'll take off these wrappers here. All right, so here's a brand new Casetify Clear case. As you guys can see, it has the authenticity tag on there as well. And comparing it with the Casetify Clear case, the one that was in wine, it was this one right here. Honestly, looks very similar. Does not look like much difference at all. All right, so just to show you guys, I'm pretty sure you can already see though which one was in the wine and which one wasn't in the wine, which one was brand new. Obviously, the one on the right is the brand new Apple Clear case, and the one on the left is the one that has been sitting in wine for 24 hours. And oh, you can easily tell on the side profile which one is the most clear. Obviously, the one on the bottom is the brand new one. The one on the top is the one that has been sitting in wine for 24 hours again. And here it is again. Obviously, the one on the top is the one with the wine, and the brand new one is the one on the bottom. I mean, it's so easy to tell with this one right here. And to show you guys with the Casetify Clear case, I'm pretty sure you can't even tell which one is which at the bottom because it literally doesn't look any difference. I don't even know what I'm looking at right now. Okay, so apparently the brand new one is at the bottom right here. But when we go to the buns, as you guys can see, the bottom one is the one with the wine. And you can kind of tell with the bun, it's a little bit hinted like purple color right there versus the brand new one is more clear, obviously. But like I said earlier, you're not going to really notice that much with the bun. Same thing with the volume buns as well. As you guys can see, the top one is the one with the wine and it has, you know, a little purple hint to it. Not too bad, honestly. And then the brand new clear fresh one is at the bottom, and as you guys can see, the buns look brand new. So just looking at straight at the back, you literally cannot tell which one's the newest one, and obviously the one with the authenticity tag is the new one, but just looking at it without this in mind, you can't even tell which one is which. And that's the whole point of the new anti-yellowing technology on the Casetify Clear case. All right, guys, so there it is. As you guys can see from this footage, the Casetify Clear case does stay more clear. It's more of a crystal clear than the Apple Clear case, which is kind of what I was expecting, because Casetify says that this case will not stain over time, will not color change over time, which is exactly what I'm looking for with the clear case, because I'm sure you've seen someone use a clear case and it just looks absolutely disgusting. It's like yellow and just doesn't look good, and it's only been like a few months after they bought the case. Well, that's what I'm afraid of. And for this case, I can let you guys know that the color will not change over time, which is actually pretty rare nowadays. And I also want to talk about the drop test that we did with this case. So as you guys can see, overall, it really didn't make any like dents or cracks in the case at all, which is actually insane because I dropped this thing my head height and it still did not crack. So yeah, guys, if you want a case that does not crack over time and does not, you know, color change over time, then the Casetify Clear case is the best bet for you. Yes, it's on the pricier side, but honestly, guys, you're paying for what you're getting. This is literally the only case I test that can actually, you know, not crack over time, and also it does not turn yellow over time. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys are interested in the Casetify Clear case, I'll leave a link down in the description below where you can get 15% off. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.